Let's look at the simplest color composition there is and the most effective. So that is black and white with an accent color. So yeah, this is the crit. If I stop now, this is enough, because this is the only thing you need to understand. You need to have black and white with an accent color. So in this case, it's green mixed with a bit of yellow. Yeah. Boom. That's enough. Right, but to take things to the next level, I want you to, when you're using this color, the accent color, to make sure it's a warm color. It's not a cold one. So it should be a yellow or very yellowish orange, or something like that, rather than something that's cold, blue, or deep dark green, right? Because you want the accent color to be yellow, to be warm. Sorry. This works very well with houses as well, but there you add the color on the windows. Cool. So to remember, the most basic and effective, because it works every time. Even if you're very good, people will say you know your stuff. If you're a beginner, people will say you're confident. Right? The basic color composition that always works is black and white and an accent color, a warm accent color. Cool. Take care. Draw nicely.